dioxide. Number 4 is fish have a sixth sense. What is it? Correct option is C. A line along its body that allow the fish to feel vibration in the water. Number 5 is a fly tastes with its feet. Question number 2 is match the column. The ability of living thing to move from one place to another is called the locomotion. Match with C. Number 2 is the ability of living thing to feel thing around them. The correct option is the sensitivity. The process by which living thing take in oxygen and give carbon dioxide. The correct option is B, that is the respiration. The process by which living thing continue to exhale their species. The correct option is the reproduction. Move to our page number 32. Filling the blanks. Plant make their own food by a process called photosynthesis. photosynthesis. Plant make their food in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This process called respiration. respiration. Animal can move from one place to another. This movement is called locomotion. locomotion. Rafflesia is a parasite. parasite. Insects breathe through spirals. spiracles. A snake tongue pick up chemical particles from the ground. chemical. Chemical. particles. Fish breathe through their gills. gills. Name the living thing. It can produce up to 32 babies at one time. The answer is mice. mice. It has 8 legs and build a web. The answer is the spider. It fly about at night. It has good hearing. The answer is the bat. It breathes through moist skin. The answer is frog and the earthworms. It breathes through stomata. The correct option is the plant. Now move toward page number 33. Choose the correct option. The hummingbird hovers while it feeds. The hummingbird hovers while it feeds. The option is true. Fish don't chew food. The correct option is true. Animal take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen while breathing. The option cross. The lateral line can be found in the same plants. Cross. Plant reproduced by reproducing seeds or the spore. True. Your today's diary is reading page 22 to 26 and book work. Do this book work on your book. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Allah. From baby to a adult. Human being take almost 20 years to turn into the adult or to grow into the full size. And this is the life cycle of a plant. A bean plant takes a few weeks to grow to the full size. A small seed takes years to grow into a tall tree. And here is the life cycle of other animals. Now move to our next topic, that is food. All living things need food in order to carry out their life processes. Food gives them energy. Animal get this energy by eating different plants and other animals. It means that different living organisms need food in order to perform their function, and a human being also need food in order to perform their functions and in order to grow. Fish swallow their food whole in lumps and they don't chew. Look at this fish. They don't chew. They swallow their whole food in lumps directly. They don't chew their food. Animals such as the cow, deer, goats and other herbivores chew their food and they eat only plants. A mosquito uses this sharp needle like mouth part to suck blood from the humans. What about plants? How plants produce their food? Plants too need energy. Plants with green leaves make their own food. They do so by the process called photosynthesis. Look at this plant. They produce their own food by the process of photosynthesis because it has a green leaves. Using water from the ground, carbon dioxide from the air, and the energy from the sunlight. But not all plants make their food in the same way. There are some plants that don't have a green leaves, and they are called the carnivores, and they don't produce their food by the photosynthesis. Now open bookwork of your book, page 31. The first option is their functions are also not same, but they perform these functions in different ways. All living things move, grow, need food, carry out a process called respiration, produce waste substances, and reproduce. It means that all living things perform these functions, but in the different ways. All living things have sensitivity. They use their senses to find out about their surrounding. It means that all living things have the senses, like sense to hear, sense to touch, sense to taste, but they use their sensitivity in the different ways. Move to our next topic, that is the movement. Most living things can move their whole body. Most animal can move their whole body. Plant can move only certain parts. Plants open their leaves and turn to face the sun. Animals move from one place to another to find food and water. Most animals can move their whole body. Look at this fish. It is moving. It is swimming in water by moving its whole body. Look at this dog. It's walking by moving its whole body. As you see here, the fish is moving by moving its all body parts. The human being is moving by moving its all body parts, but plant is moving only by moving its certain body parts. As you see, when plants grow, the pot is not moving. Plant is only moving by its leaves. Every day the plants around you are moving all by themselves. Plants have roots. Look at this. Plants have roots that bind them to the surface they grow on. Plants are able to stretch and grow and bend to adjust to changes in their environment. Plants move from one place to another through seed. As a seed. Move to our next topic, that is grow. All living things need grow. All living things grow. At some stage, when they become adult, they stop growing. Some species grow more quickly than other. A human body takes over 20 years to grow to the full size. A young snake the size of your finger can grow to become an adult over 2 meters long. A tiger takes a few years to reach in full size. Now look at this. I'm showing you the life cycle of a human being